In this video, I will show you how to change your passcode in Tonkeeper. A passcode is important for keeping your account safe. If you feel that your current passcode is not secure enough or if you just want to update it, changing it is a good idea. I will guide you through each step to make the process easy and straightforward. First things first, locate and open the Tonkeeper app on your device. Once inside the app, tap on the gear icon, located at the top right corner of your screen. Now that you're on the settings page, scroll down a bit, until you find an option labeled Security. Tap on it. In the security menu, look for an option called Change Passcode. Tap on it to proceed with changing your current passcode. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your current passcode. This is a necessary step to verify that it's indeed you making this change. After successfully entering your current passcode, it's time to create a new one. Enter your desired new passcode in the designated field. To ensure accuracy and avoid any mistakes, re-enter your new passcode in the confirmation field provided. This step confirms that both entries match perfectly. Congratulations, you have successfully changed your passcode in Tonkeeper. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.